Hello everybody, Scouts Crane Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to Dewsbury, situated on the Huddersfield Line, linking between Manchester, Victoria and Leeds, obviously via Huddersfield. Just there is 185133 ready to depart with the 1123, or departing now with the 1123 Transpennine service to Hull that brought me in from Staley Bridge. So today here at Staley Bridge you'll be seeing services by Transpennine Express and Northern. Looking at the timesheet of everything that's arriving and departing and passing through, it looks a fairly good station. This is about 6 trains passing through with 8 stopping. So I am very looking forward to the station. But anyway, enough about me blabbering. Let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Dewsbury. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Right, looking at it, we've got 2 trains passing by. We have the first one off to Manchester Airport from York, with 185, 118. Speeding right through, and then I heard the tone coming from the west side, so I imagine that's going to be the Liverpool Lime Street Newcastle service, but there's no sight of it yet. It might have been halted. No, here it is. No, that's a lie. That's just the Transpennine turning. But actually, you've got a good vantage point of the curve, so speaking of the devil, here it is. I've just seen it in my sights. So just give it about 10 seconds and it should pass through now. Hey, told you. One 185121 for Newcastle from Liverpool Lime Street. So they do come through it quite oh, that was another tone, that. They do come through at quite some pelt, don't they? Okay, ready to pass through now is going to be another Transpennine Class 185, bound for Middlesbrough from Manchester Airport. Just give it a minute, I've just heard the tone, because there's a whistleblower down the end there. So it should pass through any minute now. There it is. So we have 185, 109, bound for Middlesbrough via York and Leeds, and North Allerton it goes via, and then Yarm, I think, and Eagles Cliff, then Thornby, then I'm not sure, then Middlesbrough. I might be thinking of Sunderland, actually. Oh, what am I thinking? Oh, well. Okay, then. Unfortunately, I was expecting something a bit more better, but no, I still get, unfortunately, crawled in by them. We have a pacer with, it looks to be a 155, with the 1142 Northern service to Manchester Victoria from Leeds. We have 155334 on the rear, and we have 142011 on the front. It actually looks like to be an empty stock movement, and the 155 is doing all the heavy work, which is a good thing. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, poor passengers. Oh, I mean, the 155's quiet, and well, actually that might be the empty stock, actually, looking at it. Oh dear, I think it is. Well, oh well. Okay, departing now is going to be 142 011 and 155 334. Forming the 1142 Northern service to Manchester Victoria from Leeds via the Calder Valley Line. If you don't know what the Calder Valley Line is, it means it's going via Hebden Bridge and Mayfield and is it Bright House or something, or Brig House, and then comes through Rochdale into that in that way. Well, that's what I think anyway. I was expecting a 158 on that. Oh. Okay then, just arriving in now, we're going to have a 150 arriving in. I think I've seen this at Manchester Victoria. This will be forming the 1141 Northern service to Leeds from Manchester Victoria via the Calder Valley Line again. So we have 150, 137. I think it's a double set, because I remember it saying it's a double pairing. And with 150, 145 on the rear of it. Seems to be a packed train, this actually, really does. Okay, leaving now is going to be 150, 137 and 145 for Leeds, with the delayed 1141 Northern service down there. And there that goes. I really like this station so far. It's looking really good. I think we're in the halfway point by now. Well, actually, not even that. I think maybe even like a third into it. It's a pretty good station, this one. Man, this is my local, actually. Apart from the Pacers. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1147 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Piccadilly from Hull. We have 185, 143. And that's going to be going via Huddersfield and Stalybridge. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1147 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Piccadilly. I know this is it's a very local stopping service, that, but to be brutally honest, why can't it extend to Manchester Airport like everything else? Sort of like the odd one out. I think maybe when Transpennine like madly go mad with their, well, they're doing like massive improvements, like I think they actually might extend the services to Manchester Airport, because I know it's very, very congested when they do arrive in, and obviously have to reverse out. It's not very useful, let's say. It's quite there's more disadvantages to advantages reversing than going through. So I imagine that's why they're doing it, and obviously they're making the Ordstall curve, so a lot of them will go via Victoria and Piccadilly, so that'll be actually really good to see. Okay, passing through now is going to be another Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. 185 142 coming from Newcastle, and we have 185 151 going to Scarborough from Liverpool Lime Street. Which is the 1155 Transpennine Express service to Scarborough via York and Leeds, and other stations in between which I have forgot, unfortunately. Okay then, departing now is going to be the 11:55 Transpennine Express service to Scarborough via York and Leeds, or Leeds and York, sorry, with 185151 leading it. I know this might uninterest some of you, but I would have been here for a lot longer. I would have been here for about 1.5 to 2 hours, but I overslept. I know that means nothing, but at the end of the day, really, who cares? I'm only going to spend about 40 minutes here, but at the end of the day, I think 40 minutes is all that actually matters. I mean, the station's provided some good traffic so far, so let's keep continuing. Okay, there's 185114 passing through unexpectedly as I was texting my mate James Burrows on Facebook, and that has completely put me off guard there. But that is a service from Manchester Airport to York, the express service, let's say, and there should be another one passing by in a minute. It's also good to see the brand new liveries on it. As you can see, the numbers have been repositioned. Instead of being on the front, they're now on the sides, which makes it look quite nice actually. I'd prefer that, but oh well. And also passing through now, we're going to have another one. Another 185, sorry, 120 bound for Manchester Airport from Middlesbrough. And that goes around the corner. Okay, our final train of the day is going to be a 158, so finally we caught it. Going to be the 12:15 Northern service to Leeds from Newcastle. I mean, Huddersfield. I never said Newcastle. So we have 158817. And there that arrives in. Okay, there goes 158817 now leaving. With a 3-minute delayed 12:14 Northern service to Leeds. So as that roars its way onto the curve, I shall conclude my Dewsbury video there. So thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching. I really do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. It would be massively appreciated if you did. Any comments, questions, or anything about my channel, or any station recommendations that you'd like me to do over the next in the future, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to them as soon as I possibly can. So Dewsbury has been an absolute belter of a station. I've absolutely enjoyed it. You've got a nice variety of northern trains. I mean, unfortunately we're seeing the Pacer. Yep, unfortunately, but we got the 142 there, and then we got 155, a 158 and a 150, and I know on some days there's a 144 and 156s, so it has got quite a massive variety of northern trains, and unfortunately the Transpennine, it hasn't. It's just got the 185. But saying that, we did see another new liveried Transpennine 185, which is pretty nice to see. My next station is going to be Bradford Interchange. I don't know what line that's on, but I'll figure it out soon or later. But anyway, from me here at Dewsbury, I shall see you guys in Bradford Interchange next time. Take care everyone, and goodbye.